My love to all of you. I am speaking from Sri Gurudev's ashram, Hariharananda Gurukulam, Balighai. Just like human life passes through different stages of emotion, human civilization, nature, our creation also passes through different types of turmoils. Here in Puri, we had to face a devastating hurricane. And as you all know, not only this holy city of Puri, our ashram, nearly 4 districts were affected with it. And in our ashram, about 80% of our forest trees were damaged and other properties. By grace of God and through loving support of all of you and helping hands of many disciples all over the world, the restoration work has taken very nice speed, except 2 sheds in the Nandini Gosala and the Bulls Sanctuary. All other sheds are built up. Two residential houses which were damaged, they were also repaired, and all other things. And still now, lots of workers are working, being guided, and hard work of the residents of the ashram also. Clean the property, it has been taking months, but still then, a lot to do. Now, we have few more constructions to be done in ashram. And the next is a long-term project of 5 years for reforestation and plantation, so that in few years, ashram will be again lush green and with all natural biodiversities. Again it will be vibrant with its new beauty. So every year, from this year onwards, we have to plant thousands of trees and we have to make them survive. already we have planted more than 1,000 saplings. And some fruit-bearing trees, and some more will take place this year. And it is a 5 years project. Not only we lost a lot, and ashram suffered a great loss, many poor people in the surrounding villages have lost everything. And we cannot sit silently when people are suffering monsoon rain and their family, they are staying in really miserable condition. Ashram, with the loving support of all of you, we are going to build 60 small houses, and which will be safe for cyclone, hurricane, rain. So by grace of God and Gurus, this can be finished very soon, so that very soon means in couple of months. Now it is end of July, in 2 to 3 months it can be finished. The construction work has already started. So this much is the update information about the cyclone and ashram situation. At the same time, the relief work, rehabilitation work that ashram has undertaken with your loving support. You all pray, we should pray for each other, just like we should rise above emotion and we should have devotion. In the same way, we should love each other, serve each other, help each other, and to replant and plant more and more trees to make this world, this earth, our beautiful planet, more beautiful. Thank you all. My love to all of you. God bless you.